Well, hello family, friends, and YouTube. As you can see, I've got my new show chrome windshield installed. It doesn't dramatically change the look of the bike as I thought it might. Still has a sporty look. So we're going to test this out on a highway. And we're going to see how this new windshield works out. It just came in about 25 minutes ago and I installed it. I don't know, I think I installed it in 5 minutes. That didn't take very long at all. It's really simple. Let me close this visor. Alright, I got the visor closed. I got the windshield in its down position, and at 6 foot even I can clearly see over top of the windshield. Now I'm not sure where the camera view is, but it's on my chin, so it's much lower than my actual line of sight. I'm going to come out here, go to the highway. New construction everywhere. I'm going to go out here to the highway because I want to see what this shield is going to be all about, because as I told you in my last video, I couldn't do that short shield. It's a nice curve. Alright, so anyway, it's all about me being able to go long distances. I want to go long distances, so I could not do it with that stock shield that came with the bagger version. Okay, so the bagger version is going to be with short windshield. You can order it with the larger windshield, but bagger version, it comes with the short windshield. And let me open up the visor, and I can't do that. I just gotta know what this is going to be about. Let me close this visor. I'm going to come out here. I'm going to go down to exit 11, and we're going to try out this new show chrome windshield. So far seems okay, but here's where I'm going to find out. Oh, this is nice. Okay, very nice. All right, you can feel it through this through this current Bell helmet. You can hear some of the wind because this is not actually a very good helmet for wind. I don't have the Scenic Impulse helmet in yet. Remember, I had to send that back to this company because it came in the wrong size, and it took them 2 weeks just to give me a refund, and all I simply wanted to do was replace the helmet. So they told me yesterday that the refund had been issued, so I will be again purchasing the Scenic Impulse helmet. I won't have to deal with a lot of this wind noise from that particular type of helmet. This is just a Bell qualifier. It's a nice helmet. It's just an inexpensive helmet, and it wasn't designed to keep all the air, sound, and everything out. So let's talk about this windshield. So far, so good. You know, semi's always good at pushing you sideways on the wind, so I'm gonna have to get over out the way. But yeah, I can feel it. You know, it's hitting my forehead, top of my helmet maybe. But I can travel just like this. If I needed to go a long distance, I could travel just like this. As you can see, I got 104 miles on here. It says it's 53 degrees out here. I would not normally be riding at 53 degrees. Excuse me, don't pay no attention to my safety issues there. I needed to change lanes. I apologize for that all of a sudden, because I got to talking and wasn't paying attention where I was going. I want to go up here and change lanes and go back on the interstate again, but this time I want to go back with the windshield in its all up position. So I added MC Ryder to my list of channels I subscribe to now, so if you're trying to get safety tips on how to ride a motorcycle properly, you may not learn too well from me. What you saw me do there just a second ago, that would not pass MC Ryder's requirements. So let's not do that. But anyhow, I'm testing out this windshield. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna hang a left and hang left right back onto the interstate, and I want to put the windshield in the up position. Just curious as to what it's going to sound like. And while we're waiting at this red light, I'd like to throw a question out there, if I may. Question that it's been bothering me for a little bit. I've looked it up. Gold Wing or Gold Wing? This may have been a long debate, but I did some research, and is it Gold Wing or Gold Wing one word? According to Honda, it's Gold Wing. According to a lot of the research I did, it's two words. But then there was a lot of people spelling it as one word, and I'm not really sure. I'm gonna go with Gold Wing because that was the original thing. I'm doing slow maneuver here, really slow, almost stopped. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna put the windshield up, and we're gonna see how this is going to be. Well, I feel absolutely no wind at the moment. Now I am looking about, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 inches under the top of the windshield, so I'm not looking over the windshield now, I'm looking under the windshield. About the same distance I was when I had it down and I was looking over. I am looking under now. And of course there's the pothole system. Thought they were working on that on the other way. Oh, this, I can travel like this. I can, yes, I can definitely travel like this. This has got excellent wind protection. Those of you that ride, you know what semis do to you and how they shake the wind. Well, it's going to shake the bike anyway, but let's get up in the semi's air pocket. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. Yes. Okay. Well, this is what I'm going to have to say about this. This show chrome windshield is what I needed to travel with. Now, I would not be riding outside at 50-degree temperature. But I'm riding, and this wind is protecting me. This windshield is definitely protecting me from this wind. There's state troopers out doing their jobs. Alright, so I'm going to go up here and get back on the exit ramp. But I'm going to have to say this windshield did make a difference. I'm going to clean it off a little bit. I can see some of my handprints when I installed it, but like I said, I just put it on and immediately came out here, shot this video, and I'm impressed. I do like it. You can definitely feel the difference, and now I'm got it down and I'm looking clearly over the windshield. Yeah, this is definitely a winner there, folks. All right, the show chrome windshield. I will add a link to the windshield in case you're interested in it. But it's definitely a must-have. It's supposed to be taller and wider than the stock, as you can see from these winglets right here. You can see it goes beyond them. So I'm thinking that even the tall touring model, it's taller than the touring model windshield. So that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to get out here right away. I believe this windshield is going to be a winner for me. I'm happy with it. Until next time, thank you for watching.